So hello lovelies, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make banana fretties as you have seen in the preview of the video, and I'm going to go ahead and introduce my ingredients. So with me I have about 9 whole and peeled raw bananas. I have 1 egg, salt, I have a mixture of ginger and garlic crushed, and I have dania leaves or coriander leaves. With me here I have an already made kachumbari, I have my curry powder, and here I have my home baking wheat flour. So I'm going to go ahead and start the video. I'm going to bring my bananas to a boil. I'm adding them to this water, and then I'm going to add some salt so that the salt can penetrate to the inner part of my bananas. So for the paste, I'm going to take my wheat flour, add some salt, put in my curry powder to my liking. Man. And I'm going to add my egg. Then add in my ginger and garlic paste. And then a bit of dania. Add water. Just a little bit. You can always add some more water if you find what you put is not enough. Then I'm going to beat this with a mixer just to make that nice batter for making my fretties. So another thing is that you can add a dash of lemon or vinegar just to give it that nice sour taste. So I'm going to go ahead and add a bit of vinegar, not too much, just like half this lid or this straw, and then give it a good mix. Just maintain this consistency. As you can see, this thickness is best for the banana because we want it to coat really nicely so that the banana can have some really good taste. Also, the vinegar helps in dealing with that strong smell that comes from eggs. So when you add the vinegar or lemon dash, it just neutralizes the egg smell. There we go. So I'll set this aside as we wait for our bananas to be ready. The bananas are ready, so I'm just going to remove them from the water, and on this end I have my oil heating up, so I'm just going to drain them and then fry them. And then coat them and then put them in the frying oil. Wow, make sure they are golden brown on both sides, and now they are ready to remove and serve. Make sure they brown nicely on both sides, and also make sure before you put in the coated bananas that the oil is hot enough. That the temperatures should be so high, or the oil should be so hot to avoid infusion of oil into the flour mixture. So as you can see, mine are ready to remove. Repeat the same process to the rest of the bananas. As you can see, I have some left here. Repeat the process until they are all ready. Our bananas are ready. I hope you can see them well. So I'm going to go ahead and plate this and present it. So what you do, you pick one. Partition like that. add in some sauce. If you have chili sauce, you can do a mix up. Add your kachumbari. And then put in some more sauce. If you have Dijon mustard, you can put. If you have mayonnaise, you can use that. But for me, I prefer it like this. You put in the chili sauce below, then you put in your kachumbari, and then you put in your sauce. And now you're ready to go. There, your meal is ready. Your bananas are ready. There you go. There you go, guys. Our bananas are so ready. You can try this at home. You can make this for your kids. You can make this for yourself in a Sunday afternoon when you're not busy, and enjoy the snack. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, it's you and God bless. Bye bye.